everyone. Welcome to India.com and Bollywood live session. Today we have a versatile actor who has been making headlines these days on social media because of his in the Family Man 2. So how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you, Kritika?
Good. You are just fab. You are making headlines more than any other actor.
Thank you. It's all the credit goes to the role Chelam, not me.
So what's the feeling? Just tell us. What do you feel right now?
Yeah, quite excited. So happy, overwhelmed. So whatever the terms for happiness is there.
So tell us, how did you get the Family Man 2?
Yeah, actually, Mukesh Chabra casting company, they were casting for the Family Man 2.
Okay.
So their team was there in Chennai, and I actually even before this also I worked with them in a couple of commercials, and whatever the role character comes across, they used to inform me. There is any South Indian characters for Hindi movies or advertisements. So in that way, they called me for Family Man 2. Actually, initially I gave the audition for the Deepan's role,
Okay.
the one played by Aragam Perumal. So I gave an audition, then I left and forgot it. For next couple of months, I didn't receive any calls from them. So I thought like they would have found someone else. And suddenly I got a call from the team, and they wanted me to do this Chellam character. So for me, like being a part of Family Man is an honor because the part one was a hit. So I said whatever the level of the characters, whatever small or big, I want to do it. I want to be part of it. So I said yes for Chellam.
So were you aware that Chelam can make a big uh, thing? Like, because the time limit is only 50, it's around 15 minutes only in the whole
Yeah.
9 episodes web series. Were you aware that it can have a huge impact on the audience?
No, no, no. While doing that, while acting that role character, I never thought about this much of hype. I liked it because there was a humorous touch in the role, and I liked the way the Rajan DK explained me the characters. So,
Yeah,
but I never thought this much of hype.
because there are not such any dialogue have to be silent and act.
Yeah, yeah. That's
So
what.
yeah, Manoj sir said that you are a rock star. Chelam is a rock star. What do you want to say on this?
That is so nice of him. And he's a really the rock star, and he is the rock star of Family Man. He's such a
Uh,
great actor. It's an honor to work with him.
and if we see, the Family Man has its own fan base. Manoj Bajpayee, Samantha has their own fan base, and now Chelam has got his own fan base. Like, people are crazy over the memes, and even the videos are going viral on Chelam sir. What's your take on this?
Yeah, that's what it's totally it was unexpected, and I'm happy that people like that character. And I owe this to the writers and the director only because they only created Chellam and they deserve it.
Yeah. Many said that you are the leave Google, just follow. We should have Chelam sir in our life. They replaced Google from you,
Hmm.
and even
Yeah,
Mumbai Police,
yeah.
and their
I've been seeing and reading all those memes, and I'm so quite excited. And sometimes even I feel this is going a bit too much also.
not sir. It's so
Uh,
much fun. This is so much excitement.
yeah, yeah.
Love
I'm
to know.
really excited after seeing all those memes. Yeah, yeah.
Um, the fans love you. बहुत सारे memes बने आपके ऊपर. What's your favorite meme जो आपको लगा कि यार ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है एकदम से?
The one which replaced Chellam in Google, like for Google, that one was really took me like
Uh,
so does yeah, I liked it. Like this one, it's like it's
we also
very
asked,
imaginative.
one of your fans asked, how many mobile phones do you carry? कितने से है?
uh, See, that one particular sequence, I was carrying three mobile phones, and apart from that, it's their idea. Like Stella might be having more phones also, more SIM cards
Wow.
and more mobile phones.
उस बैग में क्या पता और भी मोबाइल फोन्स हो सर.
हो सकता है.
But seriously, I am myself a huge big fan of yours.
Thank you so much for that.
Sir, the character we talk about, Chikam sir, is not only helping Shrikant in finding out the clues, but don't waste water. नलका जब खुला हुआ था, हर छोटे
Hmm.
छोटे. So मतलब it was not only helping the character but also giving a message to the audience कि don't waste water.
Yeah, that is actually like that small, nuances of improvisation was done by the directors on on the sets actually, uh,
Okay.
and that goes with the character, like so that's why people start liking it. That's what I think.
सर आपने कुछ अपना दिया, मतलब अलग से आपने अपना तड़का कुछ लगाया
नहीं
जब.
नहीं, जो डायरेक्टर ने कहा वही किया मैंने.
So, and what about like Family Man 3? People are asking कि आप आएंगे उसमें, आप आइए प्लीज आइए, do more roles, ज्यादा टाइम के लिए आइए.
Yeah, see, if I get an offer for Family Man 3, then I will definitely love to do it. It's up to the directors and writers to decide on.
And also if there is a different film on only you, Chelam sir, and only
Hmm.
you be the there.
Hmm. Yeah, that's what you and I read some memes about doing a spin-off on Chellam and all.
Yeah.
So if that idea is good, if someone comes out with it, yeah, definitely I'm game for it.
Seriously, sir. But this is seriously very unique that only giving a 15% of a presence on the screen and you're getting so much love from the audience. Fans तो आपको दे ही रहे हैं, but जो Family Man की उन्होंने आपको किया praise.
Yeah, the South Indian actors who acted along with me, they also called and wished me. And yeah, see, Manoj is also like giving his appreciation on the social media. So
Yeah.
anyway, it's good to get all those kind of appreciations.
Share sir, आप कोई एक ऐसा moment share करेंगे, like funny moment, like your fans must want to know about it.
There is no funny moments as such because I, worked for very few days, like 3 or 4 days for the entire show. But the being working in that atmosphere was very good because it was a very very friendly ambience. So from the directors to all the crew members were very friendly, and Manoj and is very good co-actor. Like he's very supportive, very cooperative. Though he's a very senior actor and very talented. Like they made it very comfortable for me to work with.
Great, great, great. So, any other language barrier which happened, like because you are a Tamil actor, director, writer. कितना टाइम लगा आपको learn करने में dialogue and everything?
No, because I didn't have any problem because I know Hindi because I studied Hindi from my school days, so I can read, write, and speak Hindi. So I was comfortable only.
Okay. Okay. We look at some of the Facebook comments. Um,
What was the brief that you received from the makers about your role? Yeah, the day one when I met the directors and they gave me a 30 minutes of brief. They told me
okay.
like this is a very super cautious spy and who's retired and who knows the things, like who's matured enough to know things. So
Okay.
that's what whatever you're seeing on the screen are all fed by the directors only.
Nice. Chilam sir, can you tell the clients of the Family Man because you know everything? Wrote a
Even if Chellam knows, he won't disclose until the release.
keep them coming, guys. We really want Chilam sir to tell us some scoop. One was asked how was
Well, that yeah, as earlier I said, like it's a delight to work with Manoj. Such a great talent, is a wonderful actor, and very very supportive actor. He supports his co-actors,
Yeah.
he coordinates with them. So it's an honor to work with Manoj.
One user asked how many phones are there in the bag. We've already answered this. Sir said there are 3 phones,
Yes,
right?
that's what there as of now.
So, what's your reaction on the meme flooded on the social media sites?
Yeah,
Are you
my
interested?
reaction is like initially, my initial reaction was like, people are, pulling me, like, making fun of me. But later, after a couple of days, I realized, they really started liking the characters. So I'm so happy and I'm very thankful to all the netizens who just made this character very popular. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for all.
So, one of the users is asking how you came to know what task you did to complete the project about the terrorist attack and everything. Was this
That's
a
what
part of your?
they themselves told in the script that I'm one of the seasoned agent and experienced agent who used to work on that Tamil rebels front earlier. So I know their, operation
Yeah,
secrets
you were
or how they
also,
operate or something like.
and who was the star?
Obviously, Manoj Bajpayee, such a wonderful actor. Like I loved each and every scenes of him.
Worked really hard. She is such a amazing actor, Samantha.
Yeah. Hmm. Yes, Samantha really like I really like after seeing the series I felt very bad like I would have at least had one scene to perform with her. I missed that.
Ah.
Mm.
So, while talking about the controversies which were going around before this
Mm.
Family Man 2 was released, uh,
Yeah,
can
I really believe that we should watch it as a film actually as a film which is going to which entertains the audience. I that's what the films are made for. So you should watch it as a film. You should. Uh, um, I don't want people to get into controversy, get into you know perspective about the film.
okay, okay. Do you want to share some tips with the people here who want to build a great network to complete
Great
their
networks. You know that I'm using multiple phones. That's why I'm getting a great network.
and no one could trace you even.
Yes, and you know the reason also why nobody can trace me. Yeah, I know how to use the SIM cards.
मतलब 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस मुझे ढूंढ रही है बट
Mm, mm. Any further projects after Family Man? Yeah, I'm getting some good calls actually, but yet to disclose because it's a very preliminary level, and because of the pandemic, nobody knows when the normal life will resume. So
okay,
uh, I'll come to know in a couple of months' time.
oh, that's great. Any Hindi projects?
Yeah, I'm getting calls from Bombay also. Mm.
Okay, okay.
So it's very early to reveal those because it's just on only talking level. Like once it is
Okay.
finalized, I'll definitely inform.
And more thing, how different is Shelam sir and Uday sir in real life?
Totally different, actually. That's what Uday is not Chelam. Chelam is not Uday. Uday is a very normal, jovial person, and
Yeah.
Chelam has much experience and much knowledgeable and well composed. Totally, entirely different person actually
So
altogether.
we saw you in Serious Men with Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Madras Cafe in with John.
Yeah, working with Nawazuddin is also another very good experience. Even Mr. Nazir sir was there, and working with Sudhir Mishra sir, such a senior director, like that was an honor again. That was a very great experience working with Sudhir sir. Seriously, also it's a good experience. I really like that character. I like the team. It's an honor again, part of that project. And Madras Cafe, Sujit Sarkar is my good friend actually. I know him for a long time, and so I wrote his first film, in fact, Kaliya Ha. So I was working under him in his production house as a. I used to do casting for his films when he shoots in South India. So that way, so for Madras Cafe also, I was helping him in terms of casting South actors. So, I went to Cochin for the shoot regarding this casting work. So where he offered this role, one small role. Those days I was not an actor actually. So I was a little reluctant, and then but I agreed because of it, there is a screen space with John Abraham. So I said definitely people will see my face also. So in that way it came like I did 2 3 scenes in Madras Cafe.
So if we choose between John Abraham and Manoj Bajpayee, whom do you want to cast with again?
No, both are wonderful actors and both are good to work with. Uh,
Any
hello,
specific
any specific? What do I didn't get you.
co-actor you want to work again with?
Work again with both of them.
Okay, that's great, sir. It was nice ending with you, having a great conversation. Thank you so much
Mm.
for your lovely episode and let's
Thank you, Kritika. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me. Thanks again.
Okay.
Stay safe. Uh,
Yeah, stay safe, sir.
yeah, thank you so much.